Hello everyone, welcome to another TradingView tutorial. Obviously we are posting 5 different tutorials a day about TradingView. So if you want to learn more, definitely subscribe to our channel. Now let's get into the video. Today we are talking about how to change the language on TradingView. So if you want to change the language on TradingView, this is what you will need to do. As you can see, this is basically on mobile and on iOS, right? As you can see, you need to open the menu tab. You need to open then the settings menu, and from the settings menu, you will have the language menu as well, and you will need to select your preferred language. The app will change the language automatically usually. But yeah, as you can see, please note that your selected language will apply to the list of public chats as well as the ideas feed. So make sure to keep that in mind. Obviously, you will need to do this pretty much the same way on your PC. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see more tutorials like this on TradingView and on, a lot of different tech stuff, then subscribe to our channel, and yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.